Here I have a Planet X Space Chicken gravel bike. I've fitted new Hunt wheels and also Panracer tubeless tyres, and also I've put some of this in it, stands no tubes tyre sealant. I have to say it's quite a job, it's not easy to do. Another thing is just looking at it, I've put the valves that they supply with Hunt, and I have to say they're not very good quality. I've got some here that the customer supplied from Stands No Tubes, and these seem a lot better than the Hunt ones. I mean, the only reason I put them on was that they're black, but these Stand ones are finished off a lot more better round by the valve. They're nice and clean, whereas if you take these off the original Hunt ones, the finish around there is not very good. Just a tiny little thing. But what else can I say? I'll put some descriptions in the information about getting them put on. But I did put them on by hand. Try to line up the description next to the valve, makes it look a little bit nice. You can put some fluid in between the beads all the way round. There's some really good videos out there helping you to do it, but maybe I'll just list the things that help me to get them on. I did use a compressor. Another thing is that I took the discs off of the old wheels, and the old wheels were Fulcrum 90s, is it, or 600s? Fulcrum Racing 600s, and then I ordered some discs. There's the discs. And these are the adapters that come with the Hunt wheels, and also as well they don't seem to fit. I don't know how. Maybe they're the wrong ones. Looking at the discs as well, the 6-pin holes are in a different place to the other 6-pin holes. The distance here and the brackets are further, so I wonder if there's two sets of different types. As I say, I'll put some description down in the information what I find out, and if you have any questions or if you can help others, let me know. Thanks.